We have a service called Heart and Soul. It is going to be in December, and it is a sacred service. It's an experiential service. It's a service where you're going to be invited, everyone, live stream and in person, to start out the season in December acknowledging those who have lifted off into their freedom form. That means they're no longer in their earth suit, and in common language, that means they have died. And so I like to say that because some people still don't know. They're like, what is she talking about? So raise your hand if you've had anyone that's passed in the last couple of years, right? Yeah. And the seasons can be difficult, can't they? Be challenging. Now raise your hand if you had anyone that passed maybe long ago and it's still on your heart and you still remember it, like, right, on a day-to-day time. So this is our time to come together and to teach the unity principles around life and what happens with life. That life is eternal, it does not begin with birth, and it does not end with death. And so we're gonna have a sacred service. We're gonna have some special music by some of my besties, Crazy Carl and John Fry. And yeah, they're gonna be doing music with us. And I invite you to bring in a picture of someone that you love that has no longer embodied their earth suit and that you would like to bless and just hold with you. So you can bring that picture. You could bring a collage of everyone. If you have a pet that was like a child to you, you can bring in a picture of that pet. But you're going to have a chance to process that and to be with that. And so I invite you to save that date, bring friends and loved ones. It's an open, sacred service. And it's December 8th.